I could feel the nation dividing, long before the first cannon fired. Young men marched away, believing glory waited just beyond the smoke. The ground soon answered what angry voices had already begun. Every click of the wire is another soul passing into the silence. The cost of freedom of a mother's tears. But even in the deepest dark, the soul seeks a shore it cannot yet see. But the words we speak here will mean nothing if the work remains unfinished. The ground bleeds the same crimson, whether Union or Confederate. We fought not just an enemy, but a mirror. Yet the true healing must begin where the deepest wounds were felt. With malice toward none, let us strive on to finish the work we are in.